After watching this video, I began to crave the diabetic cake immensely. After finding out I could not find it in the States, I decided to make one myself. I just decided to wing it, and it actually came out absolutely beautiful and delicious. And because it is a diabetic friendly cake, it is also a keto cake, so I wanted to share this recipe with you. I sincerely hope you enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. This cake is delicious, scrumptious, semi-sweet, and a perfect treat all year round. So I bought one of these cake mixes. It's a Keto Classic Yellow Cake Mix, which bases are a combination of both coconut and almond flour. I just put it in a bowl and followed the instructions on the back. 3 eggs, the proper measurement of oil and water. Next, I wanted to taste like a spice cake, so I added some nutmeg, some ground cinnamon. If you have any cloves, add some of that as well. And if you have any ginger, add some of that as well. Next, I am grating my carrots. Grate them as fine as you'd like. I like to add them like this so that I can have some texture in my cake. Add raisins or crushed nuts if desired. Next, combine all of the ingredients with a whisk. Do it very carefully. The batter will be thick. I chose not to incorporate nuts because we are already working with a nut batter. That size cake mix will make a beautiful 6-inch cake, so I have 2 6-inch pans. After washing and drying thoroughly, spray them evenly with some nonstick spray. Next, evenly divide the batter between the both pans. And because the batter will be thick, simply use the back of your spoon to even it out, and to prevent any air bubbles, get both of your hands and place them on the sides of the pan and firmly tap on the surface about 3 times. Bake for 350 for 23 minutes. While I wait, I thought it would be fun to make some mini fondant carrots. Now, to make a low sugar cream cheese frosting to go with this carrot cake, I am making my own because I have all the ingredients on hand. This here are the ingredients. But if you don't have those ingredients, it's a lot cheaper to just buy the store-bought sugar-free frosting. You can find them at most grocery stores next to all of the other frostings in the bakery section. I am not sure if they carry a sugar-free cream cheese frosting, but if not, just get the vanilla-based frosting, add some cream cheese, and thin it out using unsweetened plant-based milk because cow's milk has a lot of sugar. You want your consistency to be nice and smooth. I don't want mine thick because I'm not covering the whole cake. Crush up some nuts. Once your cakes have thoroughly baked and cooled, you can start the frosting process. Frost your cakes as desired. I do not want to cover the whole cake, so I'm just going to layer it. Next, you are going to add your chopped nuts and you're going to garnish them as desired. I am only going to garnish it on the rim of the cake. Next, I'm going to garnish it with my cute little fondant carrots. And this here is the end result. This cake would have traditionally been semi-dense, but because I grated fresh carrots into it, it gave it some moisture, therefore making it a delicious, decadent cake. I hope you make this yourself and enjoy. Thank you for watching and follow for more.